The Women's FIFA World Cup 2023 has been a spectacle of talent, skill, and unforgettable moments. But not all moments are created equal, and today we're diving into the top 5 unbelievable fails that left fans gasping. From unexpected own goals to shocking referee decisions, these moments have become the talk of the tournament. 5. The own goal debacle. A defender's nightmare turned real when an own goal was scored in a crucial match. The ball ricocheted off the defender's foot, leaving the goalkeeper stranded. 4. Penalty miss. A star player stepped up to take a penalty in a do-or-die situation, only to send the ball soaring over the bar. The miss cost her team the game and left fans in disbelief. 3. Referee blunder. A clear foul inside the penalty box was overlooked by the referee, leading to outrage from players and fans alike. The decision had a significant impact on the match's outcome. 2. Goalkeeper error. A routine save turned into a disaster when the goalkeeper fumbled the ball into her own net. It was a moment that will haunt her for years to come. 1. The offside trap fail. A defensive line's failure to execute the offside trap led to an easy goal for the opposition. It was a tactical blunder that changed the course of the match. These fails remind us that even at the highest level of the sport, mistakes can happen. They add drama, excitement, and sometimes heartbreak to the beautiful game. The Women's FIFA World Cup 2023 will be remembered for its incredible plays. But these fails have etched their place in history as well.